Welcome back. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of limits. Let's evaluate different types of limits. First up, we have the simplest type of limit, the ordinary limit. To evaluate this, we plug in the value into the function and see what happens. Let's say we have the function 2x plus 1. Now, we want to find the limit as x approaches 3. So we substitute 3 into the function and calculate f of 3 equals 2 times 3 plus 1 equals 7. So the limit as x approaches 3 is 7. But what if we encounter a limit that seems a bit trickier? That's where the one-sided limit comes into play. It's kind of like taking a detour to approach the point from a specific direction. So for example, consider the function g of x equals the square root of x. We want to find the limit as x approaches 0 from the positive side. So we substitute smaller and smaller positive values into the function. For example, g of 0.1 is approximately equal to 0.316. G of 0.01 is approximately 0.100, and g of 0.001 is approximately 0.032. As we approach 0, the values get closer to 0. Therefore, the one-sided limit as x approaches 0 from the positive side is 0. Now let's try and tackle infinite limits. These occur when a function goes off to positive or negative infinity as a certain value is approached. Imagine the function h of x equals 1 over x. As x gets closer to 0 from the right side, the values of h of x increase indefinitely. Hence, the limit as x approaches 0 from the right side is positive infinity. On the other hand, if we approach 0 from the left side, the values of h of x decrease towards negative infinity. Therefore, the limit as x approaches 0 from the left side is negative infinity. So far, we've encountered some fascinating limits, but what if we come across a limit that doesn't exist? Let's explore the function j of x equals sine of 1 over x. As x approaches 0, the sine of 1 over x oscillates between -1 and 1. There's no specific value the function approaches. Thus, the limit as x approaches 0 for this function doesn't even exist. Alright, we've covered quite a bit of ground in this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.